Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to delete a UEFI boot entry. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Remove EFI boot entry. Go to the search bar and search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type bcdedit/enum firmware and press Enter. Identify the boot entry you want to delete and copy its identifier. In this case it's Debian. Type bcdedit/delete identifier. Replace identifier with the actual identifier and press Enter. Restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.